Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Intex Greywood Deluxe 4-Person Inflatable Hot Tub Bubble Jet Spa Kit. The Intex Greywood Deluxe 4-Person Inflatable Hot Tub with LED Light Kit. Grey is a whole new level of indulgence with its sophisticated gray woodgrain pattern that adds a touch of elegance to any backyard. This outdoor and indoor spa features FiberTech interior construction that offers superior structural stability while maintaining a comfortable surface and refreshing spa experience. Product benefits: over 140 high-powered massaging bubble jets to soothe your soul, 2 premium foam headrests for the ultimate relaxation, 1 multicolored LED provides maximum comfort and creates the perfect mood and ambience for pure relaxation. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.